Let's go ahead and get another shrimp. Let's hook this dude right in the tail. There he is. That's a good one. Woo! Number 2, baby. That's fish number 2. That's a keeper. That's a good one too. He looks real healthy. Let's get a measurement on him. Look at that. 17, baby. 17, baby, all day.
1738.
And there it is. Sheep's head number 2, right at 17 inches. This one freaking smoked the hook, so I went ahead and just cut it off. And I'm gonna go ahead and just tie on another hook. And we're gonna get back out there, guys, because the bite is on fire.